Welcome back. It's the beginning of November 2024. How would you like to buy the DJI Neo Motion Fly More Combo for only £363? Retailed on DJI website for $449. So that's the DJI Neo, the goggles, 3 batteries, battery charger, and a controller for only £363.19, including delivery. Let's jump on the computer now and I'll show you how to grab that deal really quickly before it sells out. Okay, follow me. There's a few steps you've got to take. Let's go. Hurry before it goes.
First thing to do, head up to Very in the UK, very.co.uk on their site here. Now, set yourself up an account. I'm not going to do that right now. It's really simple. Now, you're looking for, got some great deals on here. There you go. So, it's just popped up. Now, you need to set up, you need to apply for finance, the credit. You don't need to use it, but you need to buy through their credit. You can pay it off straight away if you want. You can do buy now, pay later, or you can pay monthly, or you can literally pay for it straight away. But you need to apply for their credit first. Once you've accepted, use the welcome code, the code here, welcome. So that's popped up, 20% off your first credit order. So close that down. Set yourself up an account on the top right hand corner here. Now we search for Neo. And it's come up, Fly More Combo there, Neo drone. We don't want that, we want motions, tap in motion. It can be a little bit awkward to find actually. Neo motion, there you go, new. 449, trending now, look at that, okay. Click on that now. There you go, this is what you get for your money. The drone, the N3 goggles, and the controller. Absolute bargain at the moment. Hurry now before stocks run out. It's $4.49. Add to basket. Go to basket. Now you need to set up a finance account now, so you need to go to checkout securely. Your best bet, you can new customer. Now your existing customer login on the left. It may be easy for you to do that first if you've never used them before, or you can register now. Okay. Now, if you look here on the right, you can pay in full right now. You don't want to do that because you won't get your 20% off. You could pay later with VeryPay. Find out more. Click on Find Out More. Check your eligibility without affecting your credit score. So if you click on Find Out More, find out your eligibility for their finance. If you get accepted for their finance, they put an amount of money into your account, your Very account. You can then buy the drone. Come back here one moment. You can then buy this drone for $4.49 minus 20%, which works out. There's a little bit of delivery on top, but it works out to, it's $4.49 minus £89.80, which is 20% off, which is huge, a huge saving. Delivery is £3.99 in the UK. Total cost is £363.19. I mean, have a look at this, what you're getting for your money, right? For £363.19, you're getting the drone, which is £179 anyway. You're getting the new N3 goggles, and you're getting the controller. And let me just check this on here. As I didn't mention earlier, it's not showing it. You're getting 3 batteries. It shows 2 there. I think you're getting 3 batteries, and I think you're getting the charger. Let me just double check. It doesn't say it here, but if it's the same pack they're selling on DJI's website. On DJI's website, they're selling the same pack with a charger and 3 batteries for $4.49. So I'm assuming it's the same pack. So if you go on the DJI's website, the DJI Neo Motion Fly More Combo, unless they've held back a charger and a battery, but I doubt it. So if we go on to DJI, they're doing the DJI Neo Fly More. No, it's not. It's the DJI Neo Motion Fly More Combo. That's the one you're looking for. Now, if this is the same that Very is selling, it's $4.49, which is the same price. So we come over here. It's $4.49, which is the same price. So one can only assume you're getting this stuff with it. Okay, so you're getting the Neo, DJI Goggles N3, the DJI RC Motion 3 controller, 3 batteries, 2-way charging hub, and propeller guards. So you're getting that. Let me see if it shows everything you're getting. So you're getting that, all of that. I'm assuming it's the same pack. It's $4.49 here. Includes goggles N3, RC Motion 3, 3 batteries, and a 2-way charging hub. Okay, 449 there. It's 449 on the very. If you get the finance and you can pay it off in one hit, you don't need to use the finance, but you will only get the 20% off if you take the finance. Get your 20% off, and you'll get £89.80 off. £3.99 delivery. Your total cost is £363.19. Absolute bargain. Grab it quickly while you can. You heard it here first. What's the date today? It's the 7th of November 2024. Get it quick before they sell out. UK only. Thank you and goodbye. Like, subscribe, by the way, people. Give it a thumbs up. Cheers. Bye-bye.